Narwal Freo vs iRobot J7 Plus Combo. Robot Vacuum and Mop Comparison.
Choosing between the Narwal Freo and Roomba Combo J7 Plus will depend on your feature needs.
The Narwal Freo is the better option on hard floors, with its higher airflow output and more efficient mopping module. However, it lacks a self-emptying feature, so folks must empty the dustbin manually. The Roomba Combo J7 Plus offers superior obstacle avoidance and carpet cleaning performance with its front obstacle sensor, dual extractors, and dirt detect system. The Narwal Freo has a lot of great ideas, but falls short on execution. Designed to be a complete floor cleaning package, the Narwal Freo robot vacuum and mop can mop, vacuum, and clean its mop pads. The companion app allows you to customize where and when this Narwal vacuum cleans, and control how much water it uses while it mops. While the design may be sleek, the performance is anything but, leaving us with spotty floors and upturned rugs. For a robot vacuum mop hybrid with better performance, try the Ecovacs X1 Omni or iRobot J7 Plus Combo instead.
What we like. It is easy and convenient to use.
The Narwal Freo has a lot of innovations like touchscreen controls on the charging base, so you can access features like starting a vacuum or mop-only cycle. The touch controls are a great alternative for anyone who is unable or unwilling to hook the Freo up to Wi-Fi and use the companion app.
We also like that the Freo works with a detergent. This is a great idea, not only to help better fight stains on your floors, but also to impart freshness to the mop pads. The 31-ounce bottle of lemon basil scented detergent goes in a slot on the dock. The Freo comes with one free bottle, and replacements cost around $40 to $50. The formula is safe to use on most flooring types like hardwood, marble, vinyl, terrazzo, and luxury vinyl tiles. The Narwal Freo dilutes the detergent based on this formula, so you cannot make or add your own.
The Freo app offers features that provide lots of control for cleaning your floors, like how wet the mop pads get and where the robot should clean, via the smart map. You can also start and stop the device and access scheduling features. The app is user-friendly and easy to navigate.
This robot Narwal vacuum and mop is very quiet when in use. The Narwal Freo is quiet when it runs on both the mop and vacuum settings. The website claims 39 dBA. We have no way of verifying that because our labs have an ambient noise level of around 40 to 42 dBA. But, speaking generally, we did not hear the Freo while it ran during testing. What we don't like. The vacuuming capabilities are underwhelming at this price point. To test a robot's vacuuming prowess, we put it on our obstacle course filled with simulations of furniture legs, different types of carpets, thresholds, and shelves of different heights. All the obstacles are soiled with ground cork as a stand-in for debris. The Narwal Freo picked up 8.8 grams of debris per run, roughly average for a robot vacuum. However, the performance leaves us underwhelmed, considering the Freo costs over $1,000 even when on sale. To put this number in perspective, when it comes to debris pickup, the iRobot J7 Plus Combo is about 12% better and the Ecovacs X1 Omni is about 25% better. Both competitors are more affordable, with an average retail price of around $1,099, and also offer a mopping feature. The mopping was aggravating.
To test the mopping capabilities of the Narwal Freo, we presented it with two tasks. The first was a platform made of half linoleum and half hardwood. We covered the platform with talcum powder and a few spots of chocolate syrup. It did well on this test and cleaned everything up, without leaving any behind. When we were less impressed when we took it off the platform and put it onto our lab floors for a test cleaning. The best way to put it is that the Narwal Freo reminded us more of a beached whale, constantly getting caught on power cords. Narwal's website claims the Freo has superior sensors, but clearly has a blind spot for power cords. Now, we could have removed all the obstacles that were tripping up the Freo. However, many competitors in this price range have object recognition and avoidance. Brands like iRobot and Samsung program their higher-end robots to navigate around power cords.
Also, on multiple occasions, it got lost while cleaning, and we had to bring it back to its dock.
How do the Narwal Freo and Roomba Combo J7 Plus navigate?
With their varying navigation sensors, there will be differences in how these robots traverse.
The Narwal Freo is more efficient, with its LiDAR sensor since it relies on an exact laser, Factoring in the mapping run, it starts the run cleaning the edges, before moving towards the middle areas in a back-and-forth pattern. iRobot also utilizes back-and-forth passes, but it starts the run cleaning the central areas, with edge cleaning on set intervals. One advantage Roomba has is its crisscross cleaning pattern and dirt detection feature, adding more thoroughness since dirt detect tells the robot to do additional passes on dirtier areas.
Coverage test.
For the coverage experiment, I scattered Quaker oats inside a small room to see how much each robot picked up and the duration.
The results were mixed. The Narwal Freo was better, picking up more debris after the first pass than the Roomba Combo J7 Plus. Surprisingly, the Combo J7 finished the run at 18 minutes, or 1 minute quicker than the Narwal Freo. Cleaning performance.
The Roomba Combo J7 Plus got higher averages based on overall scores, because it was much better on carpets, especially deep cleaning results.
It's one reason Roomba products are popular despite their lack of features. And the counter-rotating extractors plus dirt detect provide extra agitation, enabling it to vacuum carpets at an above-average rate despite the low airflow. Which option is better on hard floors?
One plus with Narwal's higher airflow is it's better at cleaning hard floors, based on the coverage in sand on hard floor experiments. It got higher average with sand, thanks to the higher airflow, and its side brush not scattering as much debris.
The Combo J7 score wasn't bad, but it left more sand remnants after the tests. Hair wrap. Another proof of Narwal's higher airflow is the hair wrap experiment results, where the Freo got higher averages in 5 and 7-inch tests. Even with longer 7-inch hair, it got a higher average than the Combo J7 Plus. One disadvantage of the Freo's combo brush is hair wrapping tightly around it.
Removing hair from the Combo J7 Plus bristle-less extractors is easier since most hair strands wrap on the axles.
Which option is better on carpets?
iRobot's counter-rotating extractors and dirt detect feature enable it to pick up more debris on this surface, as evidenced by the test scores. It got higher average on surface and deep cleaning experiments. The variance in the deep cleaning experiments is significant and signals to consumers which option is better on this surface. Mopping comparison.
While the Roomba Combo J7 Plus is better at vacuuming carpets, the Narwal Freo trumps it at mopping floors.
I do several experiments on all robot mops I test, red wine and juice stains. The latter is notoriously tricky for robot mops, without an agitating element, and the Freo had no issues cleaning them. It got these stains out by the second pass, but wasn't as proficient as other brands like Roborock after the first pass, leaving traces of juice stains. The Roomba Combo J7 Plus had no issues mopping red wine stains, but needed 2 passes to mop everything.
However, that wasn't the case, mopping juice stains.
It stalled severely, and I had to recall the robot back to the base station to prevent damaging the wheel motors. The pad washing feature is another advantage of the Narwal Freo over the Roomba Combo J7 Plus, cleaning the pads after every pass.
Which option is better?
Both robot vacuum/mop hybrid options have their strengths and weaknesses.
It's a matter of identifying the features you'll need inside the home.
Folks who prioritize vacuuming and the self-emptying feature should consider the Roomba Combo J7 Plus, with its superior performance on carpets.
If you don't need the mopping feature, save some money and opt for the Roomba J7 Plus.
The Narwal Freo is a better option for consumers who want an efficient mopping robot with an excellent range.
Its 5,200 mAh battery and sizable 4-liter water tanks provided better mopping range and better proficiency at removing stains. Plus, the pad cleaning feature makes it somewhat hands-free for longer stretches.